Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world, you know that securely moving your assets is key to staying ahead. Today, we're tackling a super practical tutorial: how to send USDC from Trust Wallet to Trezor Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready to go. You'll need some USDC in your Trust Wallet and your Trezor Wallet connected to a device like a computer. Why is this important? Trust Wallet is great for mobile access, while Trezor offers top-notch hardware security, so transferring between them keeps your funds safe. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the USDC token. It's usually under the Tokens tab. Once you're there, tap on USDC to select it and hit the Send button. You'll see a screen asking for the recipient's address. Don't rush this part. Next, switch over to your Trezor wallet. Connect your Trezor device to your computer and open the Trezor suite or whatever interface you're using. Go to the wallet address section for USDC. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check for accuracy to avoid any mishaps. Now, back in Trust Wallet, paste the Trezor address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, but remember to leave some for network fees. These can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review everything: the address, amount, and fees. If it all looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction on your device. Once sent, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a few hours depending on the network. Head back to Trezor Wallet to confirm the USDC has arrived. Pro tip: always use a hardware wallet like Trezor for long-term storage to protect against hacks. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer USDC in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll minimize risks and keep your crypto secure. If you run into any issues, double-check your addresses and network settings. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.